become very iffy at that point after 7 days. Now we move on to the European model, and we just assume that right now it's Saturday night. Well, there could be something forming. Okay, this is today. Well, this as of what's going to happen at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Something could form here and here, but those are very strong winds aloft, so it's not really something that's worth keeping an eye on. I mean, yeah, you could. I mean, I could, but like I said, strong upper level winds don't really do much to help hurricanes grow. Yeah, this is for tomorrow night. No, wait, actually, this is tonight. This is for tomorrow night. All I can see is somewhat of a chance of formation right around here and maybe here, but not much. Because you got this deepening trough right here and a very, very large area of upper level high pressure system. This is for Monday night. It's kind of quite bendy, but not quite organized. And this one right here, just northeast of the Windward Islands, I wouldn't call that something that's worthy uh, of becoming a Gabrielle. Folks, all I can say at this point is that nothing much is gonna happen. But maybe here there could be something, but it's not organized yet. Very strong winds aloft, just to the north and to the east. But however, there's going to be plenty of dry air, so all of that is not going to do any favors for systems to grow. It's quite large from what I can see, but nothing much I can say at this point. It's just nothing but a big rainmaker that's about to be a thing. And then by Thursday night, maybe something here. But right here, maybe not much. Alright. Let's just go back to here and see what we got for here. This is for Friday night. We do have something that's going to form here. The Gulf, not much. But offshore, not really. It's going to get eaten up. It's going to move. This is next Saturday night. But I'm just going to go ahead and speed things up. I'm just going to speed it up. Oh, man. It's frozen. Oh, hold on a minute, folks. Never mind. I don't know why. Okay, so let's see what we got. So we do have air rotation just offshore, right between Africa and the Windward Islands for next Saturday. Wait, yeah, next Sunday actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna play it forward. It could keep on moving for the next week or so. And it's getting to a point where it's not really much. So, folks, what I'm trying to say to you guys is that both the European and the American models, the GFS model, they are indicating that we're not going to get any landfall in the next week or two. I mean, systems may have potential for development, but what good would that do? There's strong winds aloft. You have dry Sahara desert dust that's blanketing the entire tropical Atlantic, which hinders any development of any tropical systems. Hold on a minute, folks. Alright, guys, I'm back. So, we are here at the National Hurricane Center website, and according to this, this has a 20% chance of development within either the next 2 days or for the next 7 days. So, in other words, my calculations, well, my instincts are correct. Well, at least for now, that any chances of development are very low at this point. But things can change overnight or not. Hold on a minute, folks. All right, I'm back. So yeah, turns out there is not much we can do at this point for any hurricanes to develop. For those who don't want hurricanes here, well, congratulations. You guys will not be getting any hurricanes in the next week or two. But just so you know, forecasts are subject to change once forecasts get better. As soon as we get closer to any given day that you guys thought of, like for example, like maybe 3 days from now, not much is not much is going to happen, but sometime in the next 3 days, forecast will improve, and we'll see what happens if this is going to be more true or not. Now, let's switch the scene to here, to Radar Omega. This time, we're actually going to... Oh, looks like we got ourselves a tornado warning. Do we? Well, there are two of them. And it looks like as though there is one in Well, there are two in upstate New York, but at the same time, it's also in Massachusetts and Connecticut. So, let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, so this is for real, guys. So... we're at a point where we are getting severe weather in the New York City area, folks, or at least nearby. And it looks like they're about to spawn some moderate to heavy rain, some maybe strong to severe thunderstorms. After all, we just have very low chance of tornadoes that will be spawned. Let me go back to here, folks, so before we can check for tornadoes. So right here, folks, what you guys are seeing is that this is what the Storm Prediction Center activity chart looks like. And we're going to zoom in. That's if we can actually zoom in. So, right around the East Coast, particularly in the New York City area, there is a slight chance for severe weather that you guys see, affecting places like Boston, New York City, all the way to Philly. Marginal chance of severe weather all across the East Coast, but elsewhere, just nothing but thunderstorms. So, according to this, according to the discussion, it does say that there is an upper level trough that's present, and of course that's what I have been showing you guys. And at the surface there is effective low level baroclinic zone that extends from Maryland into eastern Pennsylvania, New York, and New England. To the east of the boundary, just at least broken sunshine will help to steepen low level lapse rates and destabilize the air mass. Thunderstorms have already begun to form along this zone, with intensification scattered strong to severe storms by mid-afternoon. Mid-level lapse rates are not particularly steep, but southwesterly winds aloft are strong, and deep layer shear will support rotating and bowing structures capable of damaging wind gusts and some hail. A thunderstorm or two will also be possible, as it's already been shown in Radar Omega. Model guidance is an agreement that the corridor of concern is rather narrow, with the main risk between about 19 to 23 Z. That's Zulu time. Okay. Now let's go back to Radar Omega. So now we are taking this seriously, folks. For those of you who don't know what Baroclinic is, I'll just tell you guys. Well, folks, I know this is the weather topic of the day. This may sound like the weather topic of the day, but I'm just going to go ahead and say it. Baroclinic means it's... Baroclinic describes a state in fluids like the atmosphere or ocean where surfaces of constant pressure intersect with the surfaces of constant density. This misalignment creates temperature and density gradients, leading to significant weather phenomena like wind shear and storm development, unlike barotropic conditions where these surfaces are parallel. And now you guys want to know what barotropic means? I'll go ahead and... say it. Barotropic describes a fluid where density depends only on pressure, meaning surfaces of constant pressure are also surfaces of constant density and temperature in meteorology and oceanography. A barotropic system lacks vertical wind shear and significant temperature gradients, leading to a uniform flow at all depths and preventing weather systems like severe thunderstorms or fronts from developing or intensifying. Well, guys, I know I gave the weather topic of the day in an earlier fashion, but hold on a minute. All right. Now let's go find that tornado, folks. Okay, so let's change the radar real quick. Oh my god! Well, folks, right now, what I'm seeing right now is that there is a third tornado warning that's been issued. But right now, oh, wait, actually, one has just disappeared. And it looks like it's moving, so, I mean, there's a kink right there, folks, which does indicate a chance of a hook echo. But right now, let me examine just a little further. And where is the National Weather Service office? It's right near Albany, so that's to the northwest. Now this one downgraded to a severe thunderstorm warning, so well, it's moving along, folks, quite quick. Yep, and it looks like as though that we do have a tornado. It's just located in North Cannon, Connecticut. And it's looking like as though that's moving to east-northeast. Now, is there any debris by any chance? Well, there's plenty of debris in Mount Washington, Massachusetts, to North Cannon, Connecticut. But let me just play this real quick. Yeah, based on the shape of the tornado warning that you guys see. Okay, so we see that severe thunderstorm warning has been lifted. Yeah, it's moving in that direction to the east-northeast, folks.